Welcome to Regal Design USA. Today, we step into two extraordinary worlds of luxury. First, the $11.8 million Mill Neck Mansion, a timeless Gold Coast estate spanning over 22,000 square feet, set behind gates on nearly 8 acres of sculpted gardens and tranquil ponds. Inside, grand salons, a sweeping bridal staircase, and an opulent indoor pool and spa reflect pure architectural mastery and elegance. Then, we rise above the skyline to the $8.8 million Miami Penthouse at SLS LUX Brickell. 4,200 square feet of contemporary perfection. Glass walls open to panoramic bay views. A private rooftop pool, and the energy of the Miami lifestyle. Two visions of luxury. One question remains. Which would you call home? Regal Design USA, where luxury meets lifestyle.